Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. Today we are going to see how to hide rows in Excel sheet. So guys, if you're new on this channel, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go on my Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. So there is a two way to you can hide rows in Excel. So I'm going to teach you the two way. The first way, just check out the first way. So first way, if you want to hide this three rows, so press the control key and click each row you wanted to hide. Okay, this actually I select the 3 4 and 5 numbers row. So here you want to hide this row, so you have to click on this row and press the right click of your mouse, press the right click and find the hide option and click on this. That will be hide. Okay, it will be not deleted, it is hide only if someone print it or you print this access sheet. Then this won't this will not print. Okay, this also not print also, but you can hide, you cannot hide and hide anytime. Just select all rows and click on right click and click on unhide, so x the row will be unhide. Okay, there is another way, so I will show you. Click on the row and select by clicking and just scroll down. Spread the left key and hold the left key of mouse and scroll down. If you want to scroll, select the many rows, you can select by them like this. And now you have to go in home and in sales section, find home and find the formulas in sales section and click on find the hide and unhide option, and you can click on hide. So it will be hide. If you want to unhide again, select the all section by clicking here and click the right button and click unhide. Okay, so you can select the in this step you have to click select the all section. Again you have to go in sales section, find the formulas, hide and unhide option, and now you have to click on unhide, so raw will be unhide. Okay, so that is how you can hide and unhide cell in raw Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.